Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support on my previous videos. I hope you liked them and enjoyed them, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video and this lesson and the lessons that are going to come up in the future. So, in today's video or in today's lesson, I'm going to explain to you guys how to use a light microscope and everything you need to know about using a light microscope. So, you need to know the ins and outs of using a light microscope, including how to prepare your specimen, how to focus using the microscope, and how to make an accurate drawings of what you observe. So, preparing a slide, all you need to do is, I have like bullet points. The first one is, if you want to look at a specimen, example, plant or animal cell, under a light microscope, you need to put on a microscope slide first. A slide is a strip of a clear glass or plastic onto which the specimen is mounted. And here on the side I have a picture of the light microscope and how it looks like, so you can have a look at it and pause the video and know what it is and how it looks like and know everything about it. And this is very important for the science GCSE, the biology GCSE, because it will often come up. Like, I can guarantee you guys that one question will come up in your GCSE that is about light microscope. It can be either how to use it or about the like how to use it, as I said, and how to prepare a slide, or like name the parts of it. So you can have a look at it, and you can also copy a sketch on your notebook. Notebooks are very important for the revision in the future. Okay guys, here's how to prepare a slide to view onion cells. So basically in the science or the biology class, the all you need to observe in this topic is an onion cell. So often the teacher will give you an onion cell and you will have to do the following steps. So I'm going to explain everything to you so you can know what's going to happen in the future. Or if you have done it already and you didn't understand it, here is everything you need to know. First, you have to add a drop of water to the middle of a clean slide, and then cut out an onion and separate it out into layers. Use tweezers to peel off some epidermal tissue from the bottom of one of the layers. Third, using the tweezers, place the epidermal tissue into the water on the slide. Fourth, add a drop of iodine solution. Iodine solution is a stain. Basically, stains are used to highlight objects in a cell by adding color to them. Okay guys, and now we have to place a cover slip on top. A cover slip is a square of thin transparent plastic or glass. To do this, stand the cover slip upright on the slide next to the water droplet. Then carefully tilt and lower it so it covers the specimen. Try not to get any air bubbles under there because they'll obstruct your view of the specimen. Yeah, this point is really important. Try not to get any air bubbles under there, because if you do, you're not going to get a very good picture of your cell. So try not to get air bubbles and try to be very careful, because it's actually very interesting to see what's under that cell. And here on the side I have like a little drawings of the whole preparation. Have a look at it, and you can do anything you want. Yeah. Okay guys, and here I have everything you need to know about observing the specimen. So you need to know how to set up and use a light microscope. First, start by clipping the slide you prepared on the stage. Second, select the lowest powered objective lens, the one that produces the lowest magnification. Third, use the coarse adjustment knob to move the stage to just below the objective lens. Fourth, look down the eyepiece. Use the coarse adjustment knob to move the stage downwards until the image is roughly on focus. The fifth, adjust the focus with the fine adjustment knob until you get a clear image of what's on the slide. Lastly, if you need to see the slide with clear gray air magnification, swap to a higher powered objective lens to refocus. And now guys, we've reached to the end of the lesson. I'll hopefully make another lesson of how to use an electron microscope and everything you need to know about it. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson and understood what a light microscope is and how to use it. I'm going to remind you again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment what any other lessons you want me to do. Also, don't forget to share this video with anyone that you think didn't know or don't know how to use a light microscope yet, and share this with them, and I'm sure that they will be able to have like a little idea of how to use a light microscope. So have a good day and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.